To get a KuCoin API key, you first need to create an account on the KuCoin platform. If you already have an account, log into your KuCoin account using your email address and password. If you are a new user, sign up by providing the required information such as email address, password, and verification code sent to your email. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the API Management tab, where you will find the option to create a new API key. Before creating the API key, make sure to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. To create the API key, click on the Create API button and fill in the required information, including the API name and IP address. The API name can be any name you choose, but it is recommended to use a descriptive name to help you identify the API key. The IP address should be the IP address of the device or server that will be using the API key. After filling in the required information, click on the Create API button to generate the API key. You will then be provided with the API key, API secret, and passphrase. The API key and API secret are used to authenticate API requests, while the passphrase is used to add an extra layer of security. It is recommended to save the API key, API secret, and passphrase in a secure location, such as an encrypted file or a password manager. Do not share the API key, API secret, or passphrase with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your account. Once you have the API key, you can use it to connect to the KuCoin API and start making API requests. The KuCoin API provides a wide range of endpoints for trading, market data, and account management. You can use the API to automate trading strategies, monitor market data, and manage your account. In conclusion, getting a KuCoin API key is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, enabling two-factor authentication, and generating the API key. By following these steps and using the API key securely, you can unlock the full potential of the KuCoin platform and take your trading to the next level.